For this video, we're going to focus on creating reports in Salesforce. Now I'm starting in my home screen or my home tab here. We're just going to click on the Reports tab, and it'll start that process for us. Now there's multiple reports that you can run, whether you want to focus on pulling up your account list, focus on pulling up your contacts for those accounts, or just the opportunities. Okay. Now any of the previously saved reports that I've ran, they're all going to land in this bucket, so I can quickly pull them up anytime that I need. To create a new one, we're just going to go to New Report, and then we can select the type of information that we wanted to pull. Let's start by just focusing on accounts. Okay, so we'll select Accounts and click Create. Now the first thing we want to do is make sure that this top portion is all correct. Okay, we want to view My Accounts. That is correct. And then for the date field, rather than a custom date, it doesn't matter when these accounts were created, I want to see them. So we're going to change this to all time, and that'll make it so no matter when the account was created, it'll pull up into this list. Okay. Now down here, it's going to show you an example of the report it'll run. It'll only bring up 50 records. Okay. But until we run the report, we can fully customize this. If I want to get rid of any of these, I can just click and drag them into this bucket. It'll get rid of them. If I want to move any of these around, I can do that. Okay, so you can fully customize how you want this to appear. In addition, you can also sort by any of these titles. So if I want to sort them alphabetically, I can just click on the top title and it'll sort it here. Okay. If I want to sort it by the last activity, I can click on that and it'll pull that up. Okay. A couple other things that we can do is we can add additional details in here. So let's say I want to pull in the industry for each account. Okay, I can again just click it and drag it to wherever I want to drop it, and it'll pull it right in. Okay. Now, if we want to add in a filter, maybe I only want to see my government accounts. Okay. I can create a filter right up here and just click Add. And then let's do Industry. And then equals, and we'll just select the government accounts, or the government industries. So we will select these. Okay. Insert selected, and then click OK. And now it's only pulling up the government accounts. Okay. So you can play with customizing this as much as you want. Whenever you've got it to where you want it, you can save it, or you can come up and run the report. Okay. When I run the report, you'll see that it'll pull up more accounts. Okay. So instead of just the sample 50, this will do all of my account base. Okay. From here, again, if we like what we see, we can again save it. If we need to change anything, you can customize it. To refresh it, you can just click Run Report. Or if you need to export it and bring it into an Excel folder or file, you can save that and then make any modifications you need. If you need to color coordinate it or whatever, if you need to email that to a partner, you can do so. Okay. When I save this, it's going to give me some options as to where I want to save it. You can name it whatever you want, and as long as you put it into My Personal Custom Reports when you save it, it'll always land in that Reports bucket. So when I save this, I can just click on Reports, and it'll land right in my list here, so I can quickly access it anytime that I need. Okay, hope this was helpful. Thanks so much.